This exoskeleton gives you extra support whether you're hiking or working. With a weight of just 4 pounds and a peak output of 1 horsepower, Hypershell enhances physical abilities by providing extra power to your lower body. Its sensors, which span the entire unit, detect and record your motion. Then, the AI system analyzes and calculates the optimal output for each situation. Hypershell is said to provide an added max running speed of 12.4 miles per hour, a steady 66 pounds weight offset and 22 pounds of horizontal thrust, or an extra range of 15.5 miles if you feel you have reached your limit. There are also 9 different modes to suit your preferences and needs. Hypershell is designed for a variety of outdoor activities like hiking and camping. It can also be used for industrial applications such as construction and manufacturing. The device can be folded to a compact size for easy storage and transport.